West Franklin and Wolfe Street with a white Nissan Altima, Arkansas, Adam Henry John 92 Charles. Adam Henry John 92 Charles.
Hold on. I am to admit what I can say, please. Hey, the reason I put you over is obstruction of view. Right here, obstruction of view, having out, cup hanging from the window. You got your driver's license, proof of insurance? Hey, roll this down a little bit.
I don't do that, I don't trust no more of y'all.
Roll this down.
Here you go, my sir.
You got driver's license?
I don't trust no more of y'all, man. Y'all, that was wrong. Y'all just left the snow.
Be honest with me. How much wood you got in this car? Man, I can smell it. Man, you don't tell me I can't smell it. Hey, roll this down.
He was the window.
Roll this down. You better roll it down now. Roll it down. Roll it down. I'm going to bust it. You got 5 seconds to roll it down. Roll it down. You better roll this window down. Roll it down.
Your vehicle took off 1037.
Where are you going? Tell us where you're going. Don't break it. Don't break it. Don't break it.
East on Broadway, turning back on Gorman. We're heading back towards Division. Adam Henry John 92 Charles.
Going east to Broadway. North on Division.
TBI. Take him back out. It's Whitebreak. We're on ground. 32 is Buford. We're on secondary. Where's some Buford? What's on Buford? Getting the PDI again, coming up the sheriff. Going north on Cherry. Turning on Murray. On Murray. 11 just hitting again. He's still going. Second TBI.
Second TBI.
Give me your hand. Whoops, you better give me your hand. Oh, no. Break your arm.
You fix to get tased. Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Now. I got it. Got the other one.
Oh, man, this is wrong. Why y'all doing me like this?
Trying to get the custody. Let me see it. Yep. Take it in the
This is wrong, brother. I know. Why y'all put me over for, man? Why y'all put me over for?
10-15. Trying to get it. There we go. It's over. Got him. It's over.
Why y'all put me over for? This is so wrong, man. Y'all been fucking with me for years. Why y'all put me over for?
You need to shut up.
Man, y'all been fucking with me for years, though.
Somebody missing the camera. Come on.
Oh my God, man, y'all been fucking with me for years.
You, let's walk.
Y'all scared me. What the fuck is wrong with y'all?
Hey, we got it. Hey, you got a gun. Check. Right, hey. Bryce. Take, hang on.
Man, I ain't no scared. Y'all been fucking with me for years,
Take him to his car.
Why y'all messing with me, son? Man, do the cheese, sir.
Turn.
Hey, look at me. No, but y'all been fucking with me for years. Man, look, man, y'all been fucking with me for years, man. Man, y'all been fucking with me for years. Leave me alone, man. Hey, bro, leave me alone, man. Y'all been fucking with me for years. Y'all been fucking with me for years, man. Man, come here. Man, y'all, man. No, I'm not going up there. Y'all been
Go ahead.
1050.
We're 10-4. I have no damage. 11 does though.
Okay, clear the net.
Yes, 10-4. We got to call him. I don't want to make the car into.
Yeah, I might have to.
What are we doing? We need to come in somewhere.
I'll pull back out. I think
Put him in your car.
I got damage.
Oh, yeah.
Let me back up. Let me back up. Hey.
Oh, no. I can't pull up.
It's not, we can call it back.